DeskView installation instructions, tips and tricks. Where to install. DeskView must be used on smooth, flat, tempered glass. Tempered glass will usually have a marking in one of the corners saying tempered, although the marking may be covered by framing. For tips on where to find tempered glass in your home or office, visit the FAQ on our website. Step 1. Clean disks. DeskView works by creating a perfect, high-performance seal between the suction disks and glass. Dust or pet hair on the glass or disks can compromise the seal. To clean your suction disks, wet your fingertips and wipe the disks clean. Don't use cleaning chemicals or alcohol, as they can damage the disks. Step 2. Install. Grip each bracket so the lever rests on your palm between your index finger and thumb. Press firmly to the glass and using a downward motion, press each lever one at a time until it locks in place. A better seal is formed if the disks are slightly wet. If the disks were wet, let your DeskView sit 3 to 5 minutes to expel excess water. Every DeskView comes with a bubble level to ensure a perfect install. Step 3. Check seal. To verify a secure mount, pull your DeskView in all directions, checking to make sure each disk is securely mounted to the glass. If you're able to see the back of your disks, you can verify a perfect seal by checking for a thick, black band around the entire rim of both disks. If the band looks thin in an area, or if you see dust or pet hair in a thick band, that means the seal is compromised and you should reinstall. Uninstall. To uninstall, turn your palm facing up and with your middle finger release the lever into your palm. Be careful, the lever can release at a high rate of speed. Then rotate your hand so you're holding the bracket like you did during install. If the suction disc does not release from the glass, use your fingertips to peel the disc back from the glass, allowing air into the vacuum chamber. Here are 5 tips to maximize your DeskView use. Tip 1. Installation height. DeskView allows for unlimited height options. As a quick guide, if your work involves more typing or you are using our 2-tier stand, install DeskView at belly button height. If you are mostly reading or scrolling, install DeskView even with the bottom of your breastbone. Tip 2. Temperature swings. Changes in temperature affects the pressure inside the vacuum chamber. To ensure a secure suction, uninstall and reinstall DeskView whenever temperature may change more than 30 degrees Fahrenheit from the install temperature. This is most important during spring and fall. Tip 3. Damaged disks. Damage to the suction disks can negatively impact its ability to form a secure seal. Inspect your disks for any chips or scratches. When not in use, store DeskView in a place where the suction disks cannot be damaged. Contact our customer support if you notice any damage, as we offer replacement disks. Tip 4. Stiff lever. If the lever is feeling stiff or difficult to depress, apply Vaseline or other lubricant to the elbow of the lever where it touches the strike plate. This will make the lever much easier to depress. Tip 5. Remove objects. Although DeskViews are able to stay up for years on a single install, an improper install or changes to the environment can weaken the seal over time. We recommend that objects not be left unattended on DeskView. If you follow these instructions, you will be able to ensure a perfect install every time. For additional helpful tips, consult the instruction manual included with your DeskView and visit our website at www.deskview.co. If you need any help, you can always reach us at contact@shopdeskview.com.